It was a more pop.
When in February.
Okay, hold on. You better get sprayed.
I will get sprayed. Okay. Oh shit. Hold on. You know what? Shut up, Kendra.
Which one's yours?
This one. That
Are
one.
you positive?
I swear. And if I'm not, then, you know, you got my mono, fool.
Don't forget to send me.
I want to eat. You take the video. Go next to Ian's.
Little meat left.
Aw, I don't have meat at all.
She's a bad family.
She's a vegetarian.
Yes, she is. Look at the gross droppings.
Actually, it's more attractive.
Mmm. Yummy.
Yeah.
This is. Ooh. What kind of fell? Take that out.
No. You're not putting that there. Stop! I think it's all like hurting.
Still going.
Oh, okay. Okay, we're gonna do something interesting about this.
Oh, don't you dare.
No. Huh. Okay, I'm zoomed in. Oh, look. Okay. I look weird.
Do me a favor, take that out left.
Yeah, sure.
I won't eat it.
Hey, Natalie.
Don't take me eating, Brenda. It's gross. I'm such a messy eater.
Yeah, but you like it.
No.
Well, it's no. Oh, gee. Okay, you know what? Say something interesting then in the video.
I will sing.
Say something interesting.